That's why you would often find that people born into a social class, whether that be middle class, lower class, or upper class, more often than not die within the same social class. So, syempre may mga taong lumilipat, but those are pretty rare compared to the huge population who are born into a certain social class and then die within that same social class. Bakit? Ano ba yung social class? A social class is a collective with a conditioned belief. And what do beliefs do? They shape your reality. So usually on the poor end of the socio-economic class, you would have the beliefs na, swerte lang yung mga yumayaman, or kailangan ka ipanganak sa mayaman na family. And then you have the middle class that's always living paycheck to paycheck. Yung beliefs nila are governed by, okay na ako dito, this is comfortable na, I'd rather complain about my work, I'd rather blame the government. But they're also always trying to prove to others na meron sila, na they're rich, may kaya sila. When you are in the rich end of the spectrum, and I'm not talking about new rich, I'm talking about old rich. Usually yung family mo nurtured you in an environment that had a lot of abundance. There were always conversations about what you could achieve, that you could do anything, or that you'll never run out of resources. So based on the collective belief that was programmed to you nung childhood mo, you filter reality through that, and you make decisions in response to that filtered reality. The brain literally does this through what we call the RAS, or reticular activating system. So for example, if you set out to drive and then nakafocus ka lang sa paghanap ng yellow car, throughout your whole journey, you would see more yellow cars than you normally see. Bakit? Kasi naka-hone in na yung brain mo dun eh. Parang naka-homing missile ka sa mga yellow cars because that's what you focused on. And in the same way, kung ano yung paniniwala mo, yun yung mahahanap mo. So halimbawa yung paniniwala mo, mahina ako sa pera, hindi mo mapapansin yung opportunities to make more money. Or sabihin mo sa sarili mo, hindi naman ako magaling mag-business, iba yun sa linya ko. Kahit may business opportunity that is right in front of you, hindi mo siya mapapansin.